So, hello, okay. Ayan. Open nila guys, oh. BT yung ating music guys. Sound system. Welcome sa my vlog at my channel, Channel TV Dasma guys. Dasma. Wedding day, na-invite lang tayo dito guys. Ka-gently. So ayan. Ayan sila si Tita Rose. Ayan o. So yan guys yung ating tech niya. Powered ba ano guys? Ayan. iMix. Powered ba iMix guys yung mixer de. Basic lang guys, basic. Yan ang kanilang pool. Ay sorry. Kanilang pool guys. May mini pool sila dito.
Of Mr. J.R. and Jeline, who love each other and desire to spend the rest of their lives together. Family and friends, to begin with, let us all stand and acknowledge our solemnizing officer, Reverend Lynette Ancheta.
Ang ating judge.